vlogger. Hi guys, welcome. You know what? You want to do an intro?
Hey everyone, this is Malika Jasmine, MJ. You already know what it is. The Queen Bee is here. This is I Am Kayla's YouTube channel.
Okay, what kind of weak ass intro was that? Okay.
No, I just wanted to let you guys know that it's my birthday and we're here at Cheesecake Factory celebrating the baddest bitch in this group. Yes, me. So hello guys, it's Tiana here.
What kind of
I don't know who this imposter is, but she's canceled, and that's on period.
Nice, Tiana. You too, as Tiana.
Anyways, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am Kayla, coming back to you again with another video. Thank you for the intro, Malika Jasmine, and then Tiana. I don't know what. Malika wants me to vlog, I will vlog.
Yeah. So are we doing OOTDs?
Oh yes. Outfit of the day.
Talk to Tiana.
She had to go on YouTube right now just to search.
Going first. Hey girls, so these pants are, guess what it is?
Zara.
Fashion Nova.
Oh, really? The pants are from Fashion Nova?
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Oh.
It comes with a chain as well, but I can't find it. I don't know. Anyways, top. Zara, anyways. Yeah, it's Zara. I mean, you guys can't see like the full cut of it, but you know. And the jacket is, technically it says Garage, but I remember thrifting this like when I was like 18 years old. Yeah. So, and then the bag is H&M. I got that for a steal. And the shoes are Urban Behavior, the slides. That's on period and everything that I love.
Okay. Happy birthday to you and Tiana. You want to do an outfit of the day? Okay, Jesus. That reach. That almost licked me.
These pants, Urban Behavior. This top, Urban Behavior. This jacket, Marshalls. This bag, of course. This hair store. Shoes.
How long did it take to do your hair?
Marshalls.
How long?
4 hours and 45 minutes.
Oh, that's pretty quick. Yeah.
One go to. She's at lunch.
Okay. I'm hungry. Hello. When are we going to eat?
When they call me.
Yes, Cheesecake Factory. We're here at YD.
This is your birthday vlog. I'm going to make it special.
Jeez, how did I take over this vlog though? Cheesecake Factory, you already know what it is. You already know that we have to wear masks, but
I just want to know when we're going to eat though.
probably honestly, yo, it's been 2 minutes. Hold on, anyways.
It's been 10 minutes.
Hey, aren't those my earrings though?
And
Who's that over there? It's okay. I think I told you could have it.
Did you? Okay, then yeah.
Oh, I actually changed
No,
the earrings.
everybody has gone in. Even the people behind us have gone in.
They were buying.
Are buying just cheesecake. Which by the way, I've been doing anyways.
Yeah, they're buying
But
cheesecake.
Probably it might have 9 something.
Right.
8:49. It's been like
Legit 10 minutes. You can look at the menu in the meantime.
You want to do that on your phone?
Yeah.
It's food capital. Like, it don't even mean you can eat all the food you want to eat over there. Check. We're always suits.
Okay, guys, we are still waiting for our table.
I might get fettuccine alfredo,
Okay.
or I might get the 4 cheese.
Okay.
And if you don't get that
Chicken thing.
Parmesan pizza
You get
thing,
that then.
then I might get that.
Okay. I'm gonna get that, or I'm trying to figure out scores right now.
Look at us.
I don't mind sharing an app low key if y'all want to share that. I'm down for that. I'm down for the cause.
Listen, I don't mind sharing my appetizers still. I want a full out experience at Cheesecake Factory.
The fried macaroni and cheese is only $4.
It tastes so good, but it's so freaking big.
Comment below if you guys ever went to Cheesecake Factory. Let me know how it is because we are in Toronto right now. And this is my first time trying Cheesecake Factory. Let me know how it is in the States.
The flavors. Yes, bitch. Bro, look what they have.
What is that?
Fried chicken, southern fried chicken sliders as appetizer.
That sounds good, bitch.
Doesn't that look good?
Yeah, but I'm just wondering how we're gonna eat a slice.
Easy, bitch. One by one.
Sliders are like this small.
So are we all gonna order appetizer? We're not gonna have
to
any.
share.
So, okay. So each one is gonna order appetizer to share?
No.
What?
I meant
Oh, okay. The
One
slice.
to share
Or
amongst
if you
the
want,
okay,
if you
okay.
order more, that's too.
Yeah, if that's three, like yeah.
Cashing out. Shit.
So we don't go that often anymore, so let's go all out. You know what I mean? But sir,
Bless her. This vlog is brought to you by Sir Ben Rogers.
Design looks nice though. Look at that. Right? Looks real cute.
It's a lot of salt.
Right? I love it.
Start talking, yeah.
Yeah, so I remember back in the day, it used to be a YD motive flex.
Malika, is it a yard sale thing?
Yeah, and I remember like the first time I took the bus and the subway here. You know, I looked all cute. I remember the African guy Trey that we went to high school with?
Which one? Oh,
Yes. Yes, him. Yes, him. Yeah, I remember seeing him at like what's it called? Shepherd Young Station. And he's like, hey, where you going? I'm like, you care? Like, you freaking unfollowed me off of Instagram. You could kick rocks, period. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, we've been waiting here. We shall reach there soon.
Like,
My hand is burning me. Here you go. My hand is burning me.
And you're supposed to be a vlogger.
I mean, I tried. There's a reason why I'm not
Tiana, go over there and check. No, go and check about the reservation.
I'm gonna go there.
Maybe it's broken.
Girl, I'm sitting right here.
Maybe I
It's
can.
9:25.
And here. My mask on. Hold on. We're ready. Oh. Guys, I ordered the. Oh, yes. Oh, keep going, girl. Thank you. Wow. I want to get every bit.
They stop you, by the way.
Remember last year? Us, we're all full. We taking this home.
I know.
Okay, so these guys are talking about OnlyFans.
What?
You guys are so lying.
Baby girl.
What are you talking about?
That's a lie.
I don't Wonderland.
Say swear.
No, you know what we were talking about? We were just talking about like, man, like it's so interesting how people go on there and they make so much money. Like it's so interesting, you know?
Yeah, it is quite.
Like imagine that. Like I've
Who
heard
would do
somebody.
that? I wonder. Honestly.
Yeah, like to be honest, like if you want to do it, like kudos to you. Like I support you, girl or guy. You know,
I could, but you know.
yeah, like just imagine like people make so much money off of that. It's just so interesting,
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah, these girls were talking about how they want to.
Whoa.
You know what? Actually, since
What are you talking about?
this might be a kids channel,
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're
I
talking
could
about.
never expose myself like that on the internet. You crazy?
do you guys swear to tell the truth, nothing but the whole truth?
You got a Bible? But yeah.
Anyways, guys,
Miss, oh, you have to get a partner.
anyways, guys, I'm gonna end off the vlog real quick. Stay safe, stay blessed. Anybody want to say anything, even though it's kind of dark in here?
So bless up. I want to thank Kristen. She really blessed me on my birthday, 26 years. And yeah, like she's a real one. And that's on period and everything that I love.
They know me as Kayla, but thank you.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Yeah.
Tiana, any last final words?
It's her birthday. She's 26. She's whole. But
She's what?
blessed.
What?
She's
Going
whole?
to She's going into a lovely old grown woman. You know?
What kind
Someone
of?
to be proud of.
Okay.
Look up to. As an example for me in my life.
And you love her.
Aww.
Of course, I love my sister.
Aww.
Never mind.
Oh no, continue. I was just no, actually, I felt, honestly.
She felt that. Malika felt that.
Yeah, I felt that. Like, whenever people say, like, very, very kind
Listen,
words.
I've said before.
Like, I literally feel my heart, like, you know, I feel like it's bursting.
I've said
happiness,
before. I've
you
said
know?
before. Like,
Yeah, Malika, you're good people.
I've said before. Like, she's one of my role models of life. In
Yeah.
general, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, I have siblings, of course, but like they ain't much.
Malika has a heart of gold.
Of course, she's good.
Aw,
She's
thank
nice.
you.
And you know what? And you know,
You're gonna make me cry while I'm driving.
and you know what it
Stop
is?
it.
You have two good women in your life that helped you made this way. Your mother and your grandmother.
Of course.
Yes.
I'd be very proud of you too. You know.
So you should be proud of yourself.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
I really appreciate the kind words.
Of course.
You're welcome.
Of course.
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Even though you guys can't see me right now, y'all can hear my voice. And yeah, stay anyways, stay blessed, stay safe, and yeah, you guys will see me in the next vlog. Bye.